Hey everybody, it's Tammy with On Point Accents and Designs. Today we are going to sublimate a mug using my Trans Pro Plus mug press from Pro World. I have already printed out my design right here. I use the, you can see, HTV Ront paper. I did a test of 3 different kinds of paper. You can see that video below. I did the A-Sub, I did B's Tees paper, and then HTV Ront. And believe it or not, HTV Ront's the least expensive and is the best print that I have found. So what we're gonna do, I have my 15-ounce mug. I have a heat glove that I'm just gonna use as a, to hold my mug so that we can put everything on it. I have my heat tape. I have some alcohol. And I have some napkins. So, okay, so it's really, really raining here. So if you guys hear something, that's what it is, it's raining. Okay, so I use, let me move this out of the way, the alcohol. I use this big, this came with my mug press. It's so big, it's like, I look like I have a Ronald McDonald hand or something. So I use it for that, but I do use it to secure my mug. So I have my mug here, and the first thing we want to do is prep the mug because you don't want any lint, dog hair, whatever. You don't want it on it. So I am going to just take rubbing alcohol and clean the mug. Wipe it down really good. I got these mugs from, I think I got these actually from Amazon. They're called Amuse. I got these, I think, from Amazon. That's not where I normally buy my sublimation things, but I think I got a really good price on these, and I had like a whole thing of them. All right, so I'll get this cleaned up and then let it dry for a second. And while it's drying, I will show you, we will go ahead and cut the print out. So when you print this, you want to mirror it, and I printed this on my Eco Tank with my Sublimation inks. I think I use Hippo inks. And I'm just gonna cut it, and then we'll place it on our mug. All right, we've got one cut out. Okay, so we're gonna cut our design out, and you don't want to just cut around it a little bit. You want to leave a little bit of border for taping. This is kind of the easiest thing to do when you do a complete mug wrap. It's a little more difficult, but this is actually a gift for someone. So you want to figure out which, if they're right-handed, then the main design will go on this way. If they're left-handed, then the main design will go on this way. So make sure you know, like if you're selling a mug or if you're giving a gift, you know if they're right-handed or left-handed. Okay, so we've got it clean. I'm just gonna wipe it down again. We've got our heat transfer tape, and we have our designs. And I have my heat press, mug press, it's heating up. And we're gonna go ahead and set this on. Okay. You wanna make sure it's straight, and you wanna tape it so that you don't get any ghosting. All right, so I've got that side taped. See, that side is taped. And then we're gonna flip it over. I'm just paranoid, so I'm gonna wipe it again. And we are gonna put, this is Dog Mom, we're gonna put that on here. And you can see through the paper, so you can kind of line it up where you want it. All right, and again, we're gonna tape it with our heat tape. Do not use regular tape. Oh my goodness, that would be a big mess. I've heard someone did that by accident. not me. But I saw that someone had done that by accident and it was a big mess. All right, so we've got it taped. We are gonna take a piece of copy paper and I'm gonna put my mug, just put it around my mug because it can bleed through. And if it bleeds through and gets in your heat press, it's gonna be a mess to clean up. Okay, so here we go. Here's my heat press. I'm gonna change the timer. So, okay, so it's telling me it's good. All right, so I'm going to increase it to 90 seconds at it's at 386, but that's close enough. All right, so we're good. And then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you. I just go ahead and put it in. I've already adjusted it because I've done some other mugs. Just make sure it's in there good. And then you're gonna close it. Doesn't have to be that tight for sublimation. I mean, you want it a little bit tight. And you wanna make sure that you've got it in there right. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. I just slide it out. There we go. It still has the paper on it. I'm gonna just, you wanna be careful because if you move it at all, you're gonna get ghosting. So just be really careful. I'm just taking off this piece of paper that we used to protect the heat platen. All right, and then I do it pretty fast because I don't wanna get any ghosting. So I usually just rip it off. Look how beautiful. I mean, these colors are vibrant with this HTV Ront. I am not sponsored by HTV Ront. I wish I was because I use it. Is that gorgeous or what? Look at that. It's just so beautiful, vibrant. Now let's get this other side off here. All right, I might have to take my gloves off because it's kind of stuck. Be careful, don't burn yourself. All right, and it's off. It's very hot, but look at that dog mom. And then her dog, it's for her birthday. Isn't that adorable? So you see I've got a design on this side and a design on that side. Beautiful, vibrant, no ghosting because we used our heat tape. I did it for 90 seconds at 386, and as you can see, it looks gorgeous, like so pretty. And the colors came out really vibrant. Okay, so let's recap. We made this gorgeous mug. Look at the colors, so vibrant, so beautiful. My friend's gonna love it. So let's recap what you need. You need a sublimation printer. You need sublimation paper, and then in this case, we use the HTV Ront. You need alcohol to clean. You need some napkins. You need a piece of copy paper, and of course, you need a mug press, tumbler press, and you need your heat tape, heat safe tape. You're gonna need some kind of protective gloves because when it comes out, it's hot. And then that's about all you need. And comes out great. You can make great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts. Like this is a quick birthday gift that I'm taking to my friend. It's her dog eating his peanut butter. He's actually taking his medicine and peanut butter. But it's quick, it's easy. Everybody loves a coffee mug. Give it a try. It's so fun and you can do so many so fast. And if you want to do it like for a craft fair or something like that, if you're doing a fundraiser, quick, easy craft, and it's a lot of fun. Have fun making mugs. I love doing it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on YouTube so you don't miss any of these fun videos. And I hope you have a great day. Have fun crafting.